In today's video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from Bitget to Binance. For this video, I'm going to use the Bitget exchange. So you just have to simply launch your Bitget mobile application. And now you need to tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now tap on the Spot tab in the top and select the withdraw option. Now among the given cryptocurrencies, you just have to simply select USDT, and in order to select it, you can either tap on the Tether USDT, which most probably you can find it on this page. But if you are not able to find it over here, then use the search bar in the top and search for USDT. After that, select the on-chain withdrawal option and it will redirect you on this type of page. Now the first thing that you need to do over here is to simply select the withdrawal network. So you can choose any of the networks, and you can even see the receiving time as well as the fees that you need to pay. So you just have to simply select the network of your choice, and after that it will ask you to provide the withdrawal address. So in order to get it, you need to launch your Binance mobile application, then tap on the add funds option on the home page. Now tap on deposit crypto, and here you just have to simply use the search bar again and search for USDT. You need to select the same network that you have selected in your Bitget exchange, which in my case is the TRC20 network. After tapping on the network, you will be able to see the QR code as well as the deposit address. So you need to copy that from your Binance account, come to this page again and paste the address in the withdrawal address section. After that, in the withdrawal amount, you just have to enter the amount of USDT that you want to transfer. Then in the bottom left hand corner, it will show you the amount of USDT that you need to pay in the gas fees, and in the right hand section you just have to press the withdraw option. On the next page, you just have to review the information regarding your transaction, and once everything is correct, tap on the confirm button in order to confirm your transfer. Now once the transfer is completed, you will receive your USDT from your Bitget account to your Binance account in the same amount of time that was written at the time of the selection of your network. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time.